In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this cropped circle visualization image. I'll share the related news link in the description below. The reference image I'm using is available on my YouTube channel's Community tab. Please visit the Community tab to see the future tutorial render images. Let's add 3 array modifiers. We need to apply the modifiers and press the Tab key to switch to edit mode. To face select. Hover the cursor over corner faces and type L to link select. Let's remove the selected faces. Let's press Shift A to create a mesh circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. 10 vertices are what we need. Let's move the cube to the center. After that, select the circle, and Tab to go to edit mode. We can't extrude this edge loop, so we need to type E, and Enter to extrude and settle. Then we need to type S to scale like this. Let's try that 2 more times. Alt-select the middle edge loop, and F to fill. We can Alt-select the middle face loop like this, and E to extrude upward. Let's add the materials. I'll use the sky texture. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.